Christmas time again. No better place to spend it than the Contemporary Resort. Now, we are no stranger to the elegant design of the dishes that have been birthed from the California grill. Along with the magnificent views comes one of my favorite dishes that has been constructed many ways over the years. Today, we will be recreating the cast iron grilled pork tenderloin, goat cheese polenta with mushrooms, onion, garlic, apple, fig, fresh basil, and a succulent Zinfandel Glaze. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Remy's Apprentice. First step to making this dish of what I consider a holiday dish, because of its hearty and rich flavors, is to make sure you have about an hour to kill on cooking. Although this recipe differs from the original Disney recipe, the results in my opinion are a better alternative to having an elegant meal without spending tons of money and time on achieving a culinary degree. Now let's go ahead and start by draining our tenderloin from its packaging to collect your fatty juice that will be used to saute your mushrooms later. Next, add some butter to a scalding hot cast iron skillet before browning your tenderloin on all sides. Next, place your tenderloin on a baking rack on a baking sheet, season with paprika, place into a 425-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Next, we're going to chop an apple. Try to use a pink lady due to its tart flavor, really brings out the onion later on. Slice a red onion and create slivers of a red bell pepper before adding to your iron skillet. After these flavors have made beautiful Yuletide love for a few minutes, add your freshly minced garlic. While your mixture sizzles, add 3 cups of broth to a pot before bringing to a boil and adding in your 1 cup of polenta. Keep in mind that this is not the same as grits. Polenta is a lot more coarse and needs to simmer for 30 minutes before adding in your goat cheese and Parmesan. And due to the strong flavor of these cheeses, just base this off of flavor and not measurements. Now it's time to roll some fresh basil, slice, and add to your polenta topping. Allow this to fill your kitchen with a beautiful holiday aroma before adding in about 3 ounces of red wine to deglaze the bottom of your skillet. Allow this to cook for about 5 minutes before adding your preference of fresh rosemary. Just note that this may be overpowering for some people. For our Zinfandel Glaze, we will be using 8 ounces of 7 deadly zins, 4 ounces of dried cherries, and a half cup of brown sugar. Bring to a simmer for 15 minutes and allow to cool, becoming lukewarm. Now let's slice 4 to 6 figs and coring the insides before adding to our polenta toppings and stirring. Break out your pan with the pork drainage and melt 2 tablespoons of butter before sauteing 1 cup of mushrooms, then adding to your polenta toppings. Alright, now that our toppings are complete, let's go ahead and dress this puppy up. I may not be having this meal while observing the fireworks over Magic Kingdom, but the flavors will be a success. Please like, subscribe, let me know how your recreations turned out. And until next time, cheers.